sorry. I'm sorry that happened to you, homie. Oh man. Um, she's still alive, right? She's still alive though, right?
Flashback.
Also, being sensitive is a fucking form of the Most High being in your heart. You do know this, right? Okay. I'm sorry that happened to you. Just pray on it. I don't know what to tell you. Just pray on it. Just do that. Just pray on it. I'm sorry that happened to you. I'm sorry. Whatever happened. I hope it works out, or maybe God just got different plans. I don't know. But whatever it is, I'm sorry that it happened to you. Drop Kill and his family were the first people that, when I started doing content creation, that actually met me. I'm sorry. So his kids are fucking wonderful. So I was in the CVS and his kids recognized me, and then he came down to the CVS. So, and we talked. I'm sorry that happened.
Like that, shut your bitch ass up.
I thought that y'all were a beautiful couple. I thought y'all matched. I don't usually think that about people. I thought y'all was a beautiful couple. I'm sorry that happened to you. I'm pretty sure you'll be okay. God got something different planned for you. I don't know why I'm like this.
Get a hold of yourself.
I don't like seeing people go through bad stuff. I need a second.
Oh my God.
Sorry about that. I'm sorry to hear about you and your wife. I don't know why I'm like this. sorry to hear about you and your wife. God just probably just has different things, ideas. Everything will work out. Everything always works out. He has just wonderful kids. I think they all play sports.
You sick motherfucker! That's a felony charge. A felony charge you're fixing to keep.
What the fuck?
Oh my god! He because he broke. Oh my god!
When I was living in the hotel, Drop Kill came past the spot and said hi to me one day. And I was outside. I think I was playing basketball, dribbling. Oh, my ex was fucking with me. I'm sorry to hear everything worked out. I don't know what to say. She's still alive. They just separated, I believe he's saying.
What the fuck?
I don't know why is it. Anyway, it's important for us to keep families together. It's important.
Flashback.
My father's a child molester. My father's a child molester. Since they want to hide the fact that he's a child molester, they want everybody to think that I'm crazy. Because they don't want people to know that his son is really his nephew. You said what you said, my brother Ray said, don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Just watch what, Ray? And you know how I know that's you? Because that's the same fucking jump off that you use on Facebook, right? Don't believe you, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch.
What? You still paying people to stalk me? Pay whoever you want. You already know I'm ready to die.
Yeah. Yeah.
You ready, motherfucker? Ready, motherfucker? We gon' kill your ass. Kill your ass.
I'm ready.
As I grab the Glock.
See, you know me personally. They don't know me personally. They just believe in the shit that you saying because you paying them. You know I'm ready to die for the shit that I believe in because you seen me put my life on the line and almost die.
All I said was believe me, right? Huh?
So you know what kind of nigga I am.
I'm that nigga, for real, for real. I just don't like being that nigga.
You know I'm gonna stand up for what I believe in regardless of the fucking consequences.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Is these niggas trying to kill me? You already know where I'm gonna go with it.
You've been there before where I've almost died for my fucking beliefs and the shit that I mean. So you keep lying to these niggas. You keep lying to them. Well, I don't know how in on this my brother was, but my niece tried to have sex with me. 100%. My brother's wife offered his youngest daughter for oral sex to me. 100%.
You sick motherfucker. That's a felony charge.
It's important for us to keep our families together. Sometimes it's not possible.
Stop it. Get some help.